Jobs used to say, "Work smarter, not harder." In line with this philosophy, the makers of this product offer a motorized system for baker-type scaffolding. It allows construction workers to move effortlessly around the site without having to descend. With a single charge, it can cover 1370 meters. The system's easily installed and controlled using a joystick. It supports a payload of 227 kilograms and is compatible with batteries from DeWalt, Makita, and other manufacturers. The price is $1,650. The creators of this paint system highlight three key advantages: a 170-gram capacity, providing almost 30 meters of coverage with one refill, a thumb trigger that allows easy paint supply adjustments even for beginners, and the 8-centimeter roller is quick to remove and easy to clean. Moreover, it includes a protective insert next to the roller, eliminating the need for masking tape. All these features make it well worth the $25 investment. To save time on both painting and drying, you can use the option with infrared lamps. Here are the details on the yellow and red versions. The yellow one can dry the two-component paints in just 15 minutes with adjustable temperature from 40 to 70 degrees Celsius. It features 300-degree head rotation and 180-degree lamp rotation and is priced at $590. The red one is priced at $2,000, but offers a higher temperature range up to 80 degrees Celsius. It also has an extended arm for easy vertical and horizontal lamp adjustment. With this product, you can effortlessly mark exit points while drilling walls, ceilings, floors, and partitions. You can clearly see the drill bit's exit points. The designers of this tool claim that it's the quickest and easiest method. It works on wood, drywall, brick, and concrete up to 23 centimeters thick. It's really easy to use. If all the diodes are red, you found the desired spot. The kit includes 2 magnetic targets, adhesive discs, a battery, and a case, all for $80. These wedges were developed by a team of engineers, roofers, inventors, and scientists to enhance comfort while working on roofs using friction force. There are 2 models available: a 61-centimeter wedge weighing 2.7 kilograms and an 81-centimeter wedge weighing 3.5 kilograms. Both models can support up to 113 kilograms, and reviews demonstrate their durability even when people jump on them. Prices start at $100. Have you ever been inspired to build something yourself after watching a home construction video? Sadly, the cost of tools can be discouraging. That's why more manufacturers should follow Saker's example. This company offers tools for the whole family that make work more enjoyable. Take a look at this example on the screen. A handy tool for marking wood, tiles, linoleum, and more. It even lets you work with corners and mark holes. The aluminum alloy body allows easy one-handed use, and it's compact enough to fit in your pocket. The price is also compact at $30. We also have a new tool perfect for the Mario Brothers. A tubing cutter is designed for pipes with diameters ranging from 28 to 67 millimeters, and it works on various materials like plastic, reinforced plastic, iron, and steel. The cutter is compact, featuring a ratchet mechanism, and it's versatile, handy for tasks like trimming car exhaust pipes. Whether it's worth its price of $132 is your call. Next in our selection is a budget-friendly miter saw. Priced at just $40, it's perfect for wooden PVC, and you can easily adjust it to angles of up to 90 degrees. The saw boasts 14 teeth per 2.5 centimeter blade. Now let's focus on the teeth. The manufacturer highlights their induction hardening and double sharpening, enabling faster work compared to other models. Moreover, the non-slip handle and special clamping inserts ensure a comfortable and safe working experience. Now that you have some wedges, it's time to dismantle the roof, and the perfect tool is right on your screen. For just $75, you can get this 38cm premium pry bar with a nail and shingle puller. It's crafted from high carbon spring steel, making it highly durable, even if accidentally dropped in lightweight, but only 750 grams. Plus, it's obviously patented, as is not every day that you see a tool that allows you to extract even the most hard-to-reach nails without too much effort. This cart is designed to speed up insulation material placement by simplifying adhesive application. The vendor highlights that the most significant savings will be seen on projects of 4,600 square meters or larger. The adhesive applicator accommodates 13 ports for 1.5-liter cartridges and operates on a 7 or 12 power battery, eliminating the need for wires. The team has already patented their invention. Additionally, there's a version available that allows both dripping and spraying the adhesive. This pump is reasonably priced at just $70, which is surprising considering its versatility. It's a great tool for various places from farms to car repair shops. It can handle pumping water, gasoline, antifreeze, agricultural chemicals, and more without any issues. Powered by 2B batteries, it pumps 9 liters per minute. Plus, its length can be reduced by 13 centimeters, so it fits into many tool bags. It comes with a 3-meter hose. You can tell the manufacturer has been in business for over 10 years from its quality and design. This manual pressure test pump is designed for testing water supply systems and tanks for leaks at high pressure. It's also the first manual pump with a digital pressure sensor. You can see all the data in the official app, which means that you can show the results to your customer directly from your smartphone. The RP50 model is designed for pressures up to 30 bar, while the RP50S handles pressures up to 60 bar. The valves are protected from dirt, and the capacity is 45 to 50 milliliters per minute. The RP50S model can handle liquids up to 50 degrees Celsius, and it's priced at $360. By the end of 2019, the wire and cable products market was worth approximately $185 billion. This tool is part of that market, and it's designed to quickly measure the length of a cable on a spool. It works with diameters ranging from 2 to 32 millimeters. Adding up and countdown options are included. A single battery charge allows for 100 hours of work. One major advantage is USB-C charging with a reversible connector that prevents damage to the contacts regardless of the cable's position. Moreover, the tool's body is protected against dust splashes and shocks, all for $365. In this video, the craftsman is assembling a concrete foundation single-handedly. He uses batter boss fastness to set and adjust the wooden formwork. Sellers claim that batter boss saves time and effort, especially when working alone. You can get a set of 6 for $36. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video.